Yo, what's up, it's Bigaloot, and I'm breaking down how I would make a sample for Travis Scott. Just a preview of what it sounds like. So first sound I started off with was this like dark ambient pad. It's a crew preset from Analog Lab 5, and this is what it sounds like by itself. And the only effect I added to this was this effect track, the Liquid Vibe preset. And then the next sound was this bass from Analog Lab 5, the OB bass preset, and this is just what it sounds like. Just following the root notes of the chords, and then I added this ARP. It's the Sparkles Free preset, and this is just what it sounds like by itself. Just copying the same chords as the first progression, and the only effect I added to this was this effect track preset. I think I just added like a phaser with this preset, and also I forgot to mention no effects on the bass. And then the next sound was this lead from Analog Lab 5. It's called the Donda preset, and this is what it sounds like. Just something like super distorted, like a distorted lead, and then I added this pancake to make it go left and right, and then just like an EQ to cut out the lows. Then I wanted something to like transition between like the last bar to like the next section, and I got this lead from Analog Lab 5 again. It's called the Spotlight Up, and this is what it sounds like just by itself. Just like rising up. And the only effect I added to this was this effect track preset, the Plexi Tape Echo, and then I got this drum loop, and this is what the drum loop sounds like with no effects. And for the effects, I added halftime, and then I added a portal, the drum destruct preset, and then some reverb, and then just an EQ to cut out the lows and highs, and this is what it sounds like with all the effects. And then I added this texture. And then after that I bounced out all the sounds into one waveform. I pitched down 2 semitones. Then I added some kickstart to add like a sidechain effect. And then some sketch cassette to add like some texture and like to make it sound a bit more vintage. And this is the final sample sounds like. If you liked it, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy.